When the boundaries of reality are illuminated by light, a new world quietly takes shape. Between Busan in Korea and Hong Kong, a group of passionate film students are using cutting-edge virtual production technology to reshape the future of cinema. Welcome to the DSU and HK-APA Virtual Production Collaboration Project.
Action!
From Busan to Hong Kong, we arrived carrying our culture, our language, and our creativity. Over the past year at Dongseo University in Korea, we explored the intersecting worlds of film and VFX. And now, at the Hong Kong Academy for Performing Arts, we stand for the first time on the front line of virtual production. Virtual production came a long way, evolving from Front. 1927's Metropolis was the first film to use rear projection. For this video phone scene, projection techniques didn't only deliver superior results to blue screen. Dynamic lighting, like the reflection of the fire in the Terminator's endoskeleton, becomes possible as the footage of the real-life scene is projected on the surface behind the miniature. Kubrick's 2001 created the environments of the prehistoric scenes, using projected backgrounds. Scenes where location work would have been too unpractical, costly, or dangerous were realized with rear projection. Digital displays, in combination with faster computers and modern motion tracking techniques, allow for more than just a moving background. It also allows for dynamic changes in the perspective displayed. The camera position, orientation, and movement is tracked, and computers render a 3D environment to exactly match that data. The story of Dream Echoes begins with a bridge where reality and imagination overlap to present these two worlds, the post-apocalyptic bridge and the dream world bridge. We built extensive assets in UE5, from materials and lighting to every camera movement. Everything had to find its balance between the real and the virtual. But during the actual operation, we also encountered several issues, such as latency in the tracking system. To understand these challenges more deeply, we interviewed CAPA's virtual production professor, Vincent Chung.
其實跟蹤系統係響virtual production 一個好重要嘅因素，但係亦都係一個好容易令到佢失敗嘅因素。因為跟蹤系統一定有延遲，雖然我哋嘅系統有做到一個延遲嘅校正啦，但係你話完全係零嘅 latency 或者零嘅延遲係冇可能嘅。咁反而呢樣嘢對於演員嘅影響唔大。因為好多時候演員都唔會因為個延遲而令到佢演技有唔同，但係攝影師就有唔同啦。因為攝影師譬如果我要拍一場非常之放動得好厲害嘅場景，例如兩個人喺度打，佢手持嘅攝影機佢就可能會左右移動得好快嘅時候咧，咁佢嘅延遲咧就會令到個畫面咧好奇怪。人喐咗個畫面未喐，所以好多時候我哋去到某一啲場景嘅時候咧，我哋反而唔用跟蹤系統嘅，我哋就會令到成個 screen 咧打咗一個 background 出嚟，因為有啲時候我哋個 motion blur 啦、depth of field 啦，其實都可以遮掩到一個冇跟蹤系統嘅拍攝情況嘅。咁呢樣嘢嘅時候，我哋喺現場就要識得去同攝影師同導演去即時溝通啦。即係幾時我真係用跟蹤系統，幾時唔用跟蹤系統。尤其是好似我哋拍呢一個場景嘅時候，我哋嘅跟蹤系統有兩套嘅，喺個橋上邊啦，喺個橋下邊啦。咁橋下邊嘅唔好處就係因為我哋嘅跟蹤點喺個地下度，好多時候因為我哋拍攝好多腳架啊、好多線啊，或者好多人嘅跑嘅路徑會遮到個點。咁我哋就用唔到，所以我哋有啲鏡頭，我哋譬如如果有個 wide shot 又唔移動嘅，反而我哋就會問翻攝影師：你個攝影機係幾高？鏡頭用咗幾多？咁我哋喺個系統入邊咧，設定翻一個差唔多高度、差唔多焦距嘅鏡頭就 OK 啦。
Beyond the technical challenges, we are beginning to reconsider the director's role within this new production environment. Directors are no longer merely standing behind the camera. They must constantly coordinate among technical teams, engine systems, and pre-built virtual worlds. Their authority no longer comes from singular experience. but from the ability to integrate knowledge across multiple disciplines. And this leads to a new question. In a filmmaking space where the real and the virtual intertwine, where is directorial authority headed? Is it being redistributed by technology or returning in an entirely new form?
首先我覺得你可能講嘢即係冇錯嘅，即係可能一直其實導演都好有所謂權威啦，或者係佢要唔同嘅崗位嘅團隊帶領去做一件事。但係頭先你講話而家可能 LE 即係技術變咗，可能導演嘅權威係咪被剝奪啊，或者點？我又覺得係咪唔係咁樣諗呢？因為無論你係用咩科技，其實導演係一個創作嘅核心，佢係有一個責任去帶領團隊。其實佢唔係要團隊麻木去聽佢，我覺得係講溝通。頭先係以前嘅年代到而家，我哋其實都有唔同嘅技術人員去組成一隊團隊啦。因為你以前其實導演都唔會識搭嗰間屋，我哋都係需要即係置景師去搭㗎。即係唔等於咁佢，但係佢中間嘅溝通上，其實佢唔會自己去答咗，但係即係佢要溝通佢想要咩，其實各部門係盡量去聽完之後，因為為咗個故仔嘛。咁就算而家OK，導演當然以前係唔識搭景，而家我哋都唔識用，導演都唔一定要識用，即係做一個 virtual set 嘅。咁係咪等於佢就要任由擺佈呢？就係依賴呢？咁其實呢個係一個溝通嘅過程咯。我唔覺得因為而家咁樣佢嘅所謂權力係被剝奪啊，但係亦都喺新嘅朝代裏面，其實好多時而家嘅創作即係未必一定傳統電影，可能有一啲新式嘅電影係講緊好跨界別嘅。其實有啲導演其實將一個創作都會下權俾喺唔同嘅崗位，可以接受佢哋有更多嘅一個創作空間。咁但係作為一個領頭，其實好需要，就算啲人俾好多唔同嘅可能性，你作為導演，其實你都係需要掌舵去做一個最後嘅結晶嗰個完成品嘅。如果唔係，你就會件事冇咗一個好明確嘅方向，可能只係一個好雜亂無章。咁所以我覺得係有唔同嘅權力係有變化，但係唔等於而家做咗一個好多技術性嘅嘢，就等於導演所謂佢好怕冇咗權力或者點，其實都唔係呢樣嘢咯嚇。
Virtual production merges the digital world with the physical one. Every camera move, every change in light, every step an actor takes is synchronized with the virtual environment in real time. Of course, between harsh lights, noise, tracking drops, and sudden scene crashes, we stumbled again and again.
你们现在遇到了什么问题吗？资产小组。
我这里遇到了很多问题，这边的 UE 崩了很多次，晚上熬了很多次夜，非常的累，大家都非常的尽力，但是就是达到 UE 里面没有什么特别符合预期的产出，所以。
其实我们在一开始的时候准备了非常多的场景，但是其实我们的院里面基本上都是往后期电影走的话，其实不会考虑到实时性的问题，但是 VP 的话非常考虑你的实时性 tracking 追踪有没有到位，所以为了解决这个问题，其实我们早上花费了很多时间，我们很多小孩昨天晚上都没有睡觉，为了解决这个问题。但是我们希望尽力做到一个好的结果，就算没有结果很好，我们也学到了很多。谢谢。
We stumbled again and again, yet stood up each time. The beauty of virtual production is not only in how cool the technology is, but in believing in the power of creation even when facing the unknown. This is the future of filmmaking, and we are becoming a part of it. When all the shots finally came together as a complete film, we realized world building, technology, collaboration, and art were all tightly connected on the bridge we created together. Now, let's take a look at some excerpts from the final film.
야, 내가 뭐라고 그랬어? 건축 같은 거 하지 말라고 그랬지. 그게 뭐 그렇게 대단하다고 손 몇 개 긋는다고 세상이 바뀌냐?
아빠! 이분 들어봐봐. 어떤 날 저녁 심지어 한 분만